Juan from Southeast Houston has a roof leak.
He has two leaks, yeah. He says they're where the ceiling meets the exterior wall, as you can see right here. That looks like a leak. Anyway, both are directly underneath two different valleys of our roof, he says, and I suspect either a roof issue or maybe poor drainage from our gutters. Juan wants to know where to start.
Call a roofer. You know, because that's
not the gutter guy, maybe.
No, I would call the waterproofing roofer like Ideal Roofing.
Okay,
and let them clean it all out, troubleshoot it, tell you exactly what it is. It could be a little bit of both because it's not detailed right. It could be the gutters backing up, but even Ideal can probably handle that unless it's a real major problem with the gutters.
And it's not going to heal. So
no, get to that. That's getting pretty nasty right there. You got some issues. Right to it. But if it's in the valleys, I'd start with a roofer for sure.
You have issues? That makes you our people, and we want to hear from you. So send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form. You can see some of our other videos here, and of course, you can subscribe to our channel. Please.